Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change the order of photos on Instagram after posting. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Alright, it's actually pretty easy. So first up, open up Instagram and go ahead over to your profile. And then once you're on your profile, you gotta find this specific post or carousel. Okay, just like this one. Now, as you can see, I have 3 photos in here. Let's say I'm gonna go ahead and move this third picture to the first one. Okay, so what we're going to do is just tap on edit at the top right here, edit. Now all you're going to want to do is just tap and hold on the photo. For example, this one, tap on it, hold it, and then just swipe. All right. Just like so. Again, swipe. Now, once that's done, tap on the check mark. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can go ahead and go back to your profile, swipe down to refresh, and as you can see, it's now the cover or the first photo in our carousel. All right. So if you can't do this, well, all you got to do is just find your Play Store. Okay. In here, just find Instagram, just like so, and just make sure that you fully update your Instagram app. And for older phones, unfortunately, okay, if you can't update your Instagram app, unfortunately, you won't be able to do it. The only option for you is to delete the specific photo and re-add it. All right. But that's it for now. That is how you change the order of photos on Instagram after posting. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.